Welcome to the series on Best of GMAT. I'm Sainath Katturipalli with a new problem solving question from algebra, and the topic is inequalities. Yes. Before you start watching the answer explanation to this question, I would recommend you to pause the video for 2 minutes, try work the question on your own, and then resume back watching this video. Certainly this way to add value to your learning. Now, coming to the question here, you see the limits for both x and y given and asking you to work the range of 3x minus 2y. This is no difficult question. Only thing what you need is an organized way of solving. Don't rush through the steps. Work the question steadily, step by step. Now, let me teach you how to go about working this. First of all, observe that you have the limits for x, but not the limits for 3x. You have the limits for y, but not the limits for minus 2y. You know, this step you can rewrite it as 3x plus of minus 2y. So you see that you have the limits for x and y, but not for 3x and minus 2y. So from the given information, let's try to figure out the limits for 3x and minus 2y. And you know, we have the limits for x as lying between minus 3 and 10. When you multiply 3 to it, don't you think you get the limits for 3x? You see 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. 3 into 10 is 30. And as because you're multiplying a positive number, it does not have any impact on the signs. So it will remain to be a less than sign itself. Now, over here, we have the limits for y, but not for minus 2y, right? When you multiply this inequality with minus 2, you see minus into minus becomes plus, 2 into 5 is 10. Minus 2 into y becomes minus 2y. And minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. But when you multiply with a negative number to the inequality, you know that the signs will flip. Less than over here becomes greater than, right? So that is something that you need to work it closely. Now, you know, the limits for 3x are minus 9 are lying with 3x lying between minus 9 and 30. Whereas minus 2y, if you have to, and you know one thing over here, 3x is greater than minus 9 and less than 30. So this is how the directions for the symbols are. But over here, in this limit, you see they are in opposite direction. Let's reorder it. So which means minus 8 will be the lower limit of minus 2y. And the signs over here will become less than. And 10 on the other side will become the upper limit. So this is how you will have to rearrange the values. Now you see in both the limits, the directions are same. Directions are same, right? So which gives you a comfort of directly adding up the limits for 3x and minus 2y. So the lower limit of 3x is minus 9 and lower limit of minus 2y is minus 8. They add up to give you the lower limit of 3x minus 2y. Likewise, the upper limit of 3x is 30 and upper limit of minus 2y is 10. And this will add up to give you the upper limit of 3x minus 2y, which is 40 here. And this is minus 17. And now the only task that is left over is to pick the answer which matches this. So minus 17 and 40 must be the lower and upper limits respectively to the 3x minus 2y. And that is none other than option C. So C is the correct answer. Hope you followed an answer explanation to this question. If you thoroughly understood this, then I would want you to work a practice question. I'm giving you a practice question. I would like you to try this question, which is on the screen, and post your answer on the comments. I would be eagerly waiting to see your comments. So good luck.